We have a real fun, spunky Camaro here. It's a 1968 Camaro with the Rally Sport Super Sport package. It has a ZZ6 GM Performance crate motor. It's a 350 making 405 horsepower and an endless list of goodies. Fuel injection, power steering, power disc brakes, vintage air, deluxe interior, console, gauges, deluxe wheel, power top, and more. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan this QR code and it'll bring you right to the website. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, real slick car. They claim it's original metal, and it looks really nice, straight, clean, fits beautifully, straight. Yeah, this is the SS hood. All lines up flush and square. No damage, no dents. The fender, clean, beautiful, nice, dry, all the way down, under the trim. The gap's real nice. All looking good. Let's see how it opens. Opens easily. Jambs are painted nice. Shuts with no problem. Quarter panels are clean. All the way down here, all around the wheel well trim, behind the tire, all clean metal. Same thing around the trunk. It all fits beautifully, no issues. I don't see any bubble, crack, anything at all that I don't like. It all looks really nice. Repainted its original Ermine White. It has a beautiful, smooth, shiny finish. All nice, clean, straight, just like the other side. Nice, clean jamb. Door shuts nice, clean. The stripe is actually a dark blue metallic. I like that instead of black. Gives it a little bit of unique pop. And guess what? You don't even feel it. They painted it on properly, the right dimensions. And yeah, you can really see the metal flake there. So the paint's gorgeous. Windshield's crystal clear, so that's been replaced. The stainless trim, I'm sure, has been replaced. The ice cube trays, they look like new. The emblem's sparkling. The bumper looks like that's been replaced. It has the hideaway headlights and the grille, and the emblem looks great. It does have a front spoiler. Has the correct antenna that looks new. Now, being the Rally Sport, that's the hideaway lights. It's the extra trim on the door. Something dripped on the door here, and I don't know if it's coming off. And it also has the relocated reverse lights below the bumper. 17-inch torque thrust wheels. They look like new. Extra wide in the back. They are wearing G-Force performance tires that also look like new. Whole new convertible top frame. It had a broken, one of the arms were broken. Rather than welding it and fixing it, we replaced the whole frame, which meant it got an all new white top and the clear window, all new weather strips. Tail lights, SS gas cap, all looks good. This bumper looks like it's an 8 out of 10. Here's the reverse lights I was talking about. That's part of the Rally Sport. Otherwise, they'd be up here. So yeah, nice looking car on the outside, and we're just getting started. All right, it has a clean and complete trunk compartment. Under the trunk lid, painted nice. The latch is clean, new sticker. The jamb is painted nice and smooth, new weather strip. Inside is all solid with the spatter paint. Has the shaker cans, the convertibles come with that. They're still there. This is a reproduction tire, so has the nubs and the tread, so it's never been used. So we have a spare, and the jack is under there as well. There's a new convertible top boot. Nice new rubber mat, fits in there nicely. And a couple cans, the blue and the white, a little extra touch-up paint. And probably the formula is on the side of the can too. Hopefully you won't need that. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon and you'll be notified when new videos are posted. The weather strips and window seals were replaced. So were the sill plates. This is a deluxe interior, so it has that molded door panel. It looks to be in excellent shape. The blue is a little bit worn or discolored in a few places. The dash pad has been replaced. The speedometer and the vents, all that's real nice and clean. This was just replaced. That's the tick-tock tachometer. There's a tachometer, and the clock in the middle is working. This is a factory air setup, but they did upgrade the vintage air electric slides, so you don't have the old cables to fight with. And that's actually a more modern stereo. It's an electronic AM/FM, but it looks like the original. Glove box, grab bar, all that's real nice. Kick panels have a little bit of the blue paint flaking off. And then here's the speakers. That's how the factory style speakers would have been. Nice bright blue carpet with embroidered mats. Has a center console with some upgraded gauges here. And it has a Tremec 5-speed shifter. Here's the digital screen for the fuel injection. Has its original seat belts front and back. Now see the seats? It is a deluxe interior, so it has the upgraded upholstery, but it has TMI extra bolster cushions. So really comfortable seats compared to the original flat seats. The seat backs were replaced. The interior lights work even at the back of the console. We got floor mats back here. Side upholstery is in good shape, not new, but it's good. The seats all reupholstered and recushioned, it feels like, too. So pretty darn nice interior. Got a deluxe steering wheel that looks new. Visors are in real nice shape. Mirrors nice and clear. So we got some nice features in here. The deluxe interior, gauges, stereo. Now this is a nice motor. This is right from General Motors. It's not a rebuilt motor. It's new. Comes fully assembled. It's a ZZ6 350. Makes 405 horsepower, 406 pounds of torque. It's a heavy-duty block with 4-bolt mains, a steel forged crankshaft. It has, I forget the pistons that are in there, special pistons, a roller cam, aluminum fast burn heads, a GM aluminum high-rise intake, and then there's a fast fuel injection underneath there. And it has these nice Chevrolet cast aluminum valve covers, a GM HEI ignition. The engine bay is nice and clean. Also has a fuel regulator, an Optima battery, aluminum radiator with electric fan. Then the front of the motor has this nice runner system with serpentine belt and pulleys, a vintage air system, a modern alternator, modern power steering. This is the vacuum equipment for the hideaway lights. That all looks new. Power brakes, that all looks new with nice cadmium plated booster. I can tell you that's an upgraded electric wiper motor. We have a hood insulation underneath the hood. The horns are hooked up. It's a nice complete engine compartment with all the nice features. And Michael's going to go demonstrate it for you. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, gorgeous day here. Top is down and it's time to go for a cruise. What a nice Camaro, I tell you. Super cool color combo. And yeah, not only does this interior look nice, it feels great too. Got these extra bolster supports on the seat. Got a nice contour to them. It really holds you in the spot. Fantastic. And then the placement of the gauges down here on the center console, the way they're tilted towards the driver, super functional, super easy to read. And then having the fast tuner handy is never a bad idea as well. The clock is ticking. Hold your time. The air conditioner's on. And we got a ZZ6 crate engine under the hood. It's rated at 405 horsepower and 350 cubic inch displacement. The Tremec 5-speed manual. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60. Very nice overall. What a great ride. Really nice sounding exhaust with the transverse muffler there. Let's see how the upgraded front end is aligned. Tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers, and they are set up right. This thing goes down the road straight as an arrow. Great experience. Didn't have time to go over all the options, but check out all the details on our website, volocars.com, and think about pushing the buy now button. It's a real winner.
So underneath this car is exceptionally nice and has a lot of upgrades. Like the front end is all new and is upgraded with CPP, upper and lower tubular control arms, has coilover adjustable gas shocks, heavy duty sway bar. All the steering, all of it is new. It has welded frame connectors front to back, and it's countersunk into the floor, and it has the contour of the floor really nicely installed. In a convertible, it's nice to have. You don't get the twisting. It'll handle much better. The subframe was a frame-off restoration. The bushings are new. And in back, all new suspension, the leaf springs, the bushings, upgraded with Bilstein gas shocks, upgraded with a sway bar. The fuel system's all new, including the tank, the lines, the straps, the sending unit. New stainless exhaust system, all welded. It has a polished transverse muffler. Looking up at the engine, it's a new GM engine, and you can actually see the tag with the part number. I think it's 2022 the motor was made. And then it has a high torque starter, and that's a TXK or TKX Tremec 5-speed transmission. It has a new drive shaft going back to the 10-bolt rear end. The floors are spotless. All the seams, everything looks nice and clean and smooth, all painted black. Everything under this car looks very fresh. It's easy to assume there's not many miles on this car since it has been built. So you're getting a good-looking car, sporty, fun, great options. Someone's really going to enjoy this one. Go to volocars.com. That somebody should be you. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how to get your Camaro delivered to your garage. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.